left our side even once. Thank you for always reminding us that we're always doing great. You've been really such a good moment to our group. As you begin your adult life, I have completely confidence that your ability to succeed. When things get difficult, remember to take a moment to breathe and collect yourself. Although we're all gonna be busy, please know that I'm always here to listen if you need someone to talk to. I want you to remember that I've always been so proud of you and will continue to be proud of your achievements in life. I love you.
Thank you so much for your message.
Ano na kayo next?
And now, may we call on Miss Gabrielle. Let's give her a round of applause.
Hi Rachel, happy 18th birthday. My CPU fan since 2023. So turning 18 is the start of life's greatest adventure. May you walk your path with confidence and grace, knowing each step is part of your unique journey.
And now, let's call on for Miss
Ganito na
Sheena.
lang yung candle din.
Let's give her a round of applause.
Ganyan na lang na ikon. Ganito lang. Ganito na lang.
Hi Rachel! Happy 18th birthday! I still can't believe na 18 ako. You've grown so much. Watching you become the amazing person you are today is like watching a 17 documentary. Emotional, inspiring, and a little chaotic in the best way. You're finally an adult. I hope this new chapter of your life brings you everything you've been dreaming about. Keep shining bright like the carrot. I manifest for more music, more memories, and more late night rants about 17. Thank you for being my carrot buddy. I love you so much.
Thank you for that wonderful speech. And now may we call on Miss Sandy for our next candle. Let's give her a round of applause, please.
Later na, later na.
Happy birthday, Rachel. Finally, you are 18, and I hope that college doesn't make us strangers. You are a very amazing person and a very understanding friend that I could ask for. You're funny, jolly. When we got closer, you're actually a soft-hearted person. Birthday blues are just temporary. But don't forget to enjoy your birthday. And I love you so much, Rachel. Bangwa.
Thank you so much for your wonderful speech. Uh, and now may we call on Miss Erlyn for her speech. Let's give her a round of applause, please.
Hi, bra. Happy Legality BFF. I just want to say that I'm so grateful that you became a part of my life. I didn't expect na magka-close ta do. But here I am witnessing your 80th birthday. I'm forever be thankful, Nemo. Thank you for being there for me, for making me feel special, and thank you for being my friend. I love you.
Thank you so much for your speech. And now may we call on Miss Krista for her speech. Let's give her a round of applause, please.
Hi, Rachel. Happy
Happy birthday, my Shell Shell. I am very grateful for having you as a friend. Very grateful po sa mga chika nato, mga deep thoughts, mga laang. I hope all your wishes and dreams will come true. You deserve it, Jud. I learned a lot from you. Nga thankful kayo kay tungod nimo ni gawas sa dakuki at side in a very good way. Very pure and sweet and amazing journey. I hope that as you become a lady, you will be filled with more happiness and blessings. Thank you, Shell Shell. You are so amazing, Jud. You can really light up a room. Don't be sad, Michelle. Okay, there is more to life ahead of you. Okay, I'm next. So, hi, Shell. We recently became friends. Karon this school year lang. Thank you so much. Actually, wala akong expect na magka-friends. Magka-close, I mean, magka-friends. Yung birthday, gano'n ka-close. But thank you so much, Bye, for the friendship. Thank you kay helpful kay ka always. Thank you for always kanang paying attention to me kanang times to sa atong parol. Imo kong gitagunan kay nainitan ko. Thank you kayo, Bye, for always being so caring and so genuine. I pray that you stay that way and kanang ayaw kay papit to sa mga tao, mga bitches. Yes. And continue to be you lang, Jud, and always stay positive. Thank you kayo sa atong sa imong nindot nga agi, nga siya dyan nagsuwat sa among drafts sa research. Yes. God bless ang agi ni Rachel, nindot kayo. And yeah, happy birthday. Enjoy your day because all of this, you deserve this so much. And thank you kayo sa itong friendship. Happiest birthday, Bye. I love you.
Anong basa man ka? Ano lang later na.
And now may we call on our next candle, which is Miss Shane. Let's give her a round of applause, please.
Hi, Shen. Happy birthday. I may not good at words, but I hope God guide you to every path you'll take, and thank you for being gentle always, and for your words, for your thank you for the friendship, of course. So, murag to, and take care good for yourself always. I love you.
Thank you so much for your speech. And now may we call on Miss Monica for her wishes to our debutante.
Happy Rachel. Wishing you a life full with love, success, and wonderful adventures.
Thank you so much. And now may we call on Miss Meryl.
Hi Rachel, my Siliman. Happy 18th birthday. I hope healthier and forever. Good luck sa adulthood. And God, happiest birthday my way. Yung ako bahala ni mo. Chata na mo.
Thank you so much for your speech. Now may we call on Miss Kit Kat for her wishes to our debutante.
So happy birthday. So more candles to blow and more cake to cut. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much for your speech. And now, let's call on Miss Venice for her speech.
Later na lang. Later na lang.
Thank you so much for your speech. And now may we call on Miss Mikay. May we call on Miss Mikay.
Hi May. First of all, happy birthday. Thank you May for inviting me and even choosing me for one of your 18 candles. Even though we grew apart over the years, I'll always be grateful for the memories we had growing up. And I'm thankful we got to be a part of each other's lives. I really don't have a long speech or anything, but I just want to say I genuinely hope life treats you well. Again, happy 18th May.
Thank you so much. And now, may we call on Miss Tara for her speech, for her wishes.
Tara. Tara.
Hi, May. Happy weekend. Candle. As I stand here tonight, I am reminded of the light and warmth that our Tita has brought to our lives. This candle symbolizes the guidance, love, and hope you have shared with us. Your kindness, strength, and grace inspires all the people who knows you. Remember ba kung ito mag-matching taog stuff pati yung magdinakpan kita man ito sa kuyog dermis. I'm very proud sa imong mga accomplishments. Kaya even though na di na tayo ta magkuyog, kaya sa una, I'm still here supporting you silently. To our dear debutants, may this light continue to shine brightly in your journey ahead. May you always find the courage to pursue your dreams. The wisdom to and the love that surrounds you tonight to keep you grounded. I love you so much. Happy birthday.
Sila lang sunod.
Thank you so much for your beautiful speech. May we call on Miss Jera for her wishes for her debutante.
Happy birthday, Ate Rachel. More birthday to come and
Stay pretty. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yung speech lang. Second to the last, may we call on Miss Lane? Lane? Miss...
Happy birthday, Ate May. Kanang stay, kanang buutan o kanang respetado nga pagkabata. O thank you for kanang being a good ate sa akong anak. O happy birthday o sana na nang matupad mo mga panganin mo sa kinabuhi. O tagaan ko kag kanang more blessings nga mabot. Thank you. Happy birthday, guys.
Thank you so much, Miss Lani. Okay, last but not the least, may we call our very, very special baby. Baby Shania for her wishes, for her ate. Let's give her a round of applause, everyone.
Ay, kasi ano na lang? Ano na lang? Hangin manggod.
Galing na bang yung i-blow up?
Ate, picture mo tanan dira, ate.
Thank you so much to our 18 candles.
Picture mo tanan dati.
Can now return to your chairs. I joke, mag-picture pa di ay. Apil ko ito.
Ano lang na? Oh, kabala ka kay mabalhin pa mo diri. One more dire. One more dito. Oh, atasan mo dito. Ato ba? Ato ba dito? Ate, ato sa mo dito tanan. Last na last.
Compress.
Dahil lani. Diri lani. Okay.